My name is Daja Bell. I work at Madjax and I do assembly. My specific role in the assembly line is putting the windows together. I get the windows from the vendors. I lay them out, measure it, make sure everything's great, make sure everything is measuring right, make sure everything is even, making sure I make no marks on it, mix it up, no scratches, no glue, no mistakes. It has to be perfect. I do have pride put in what I do. What I love about my job is the pace. It's a fast pace. It keeps me busy. The designs are different. Everything is unique. And the products are made here in USA. My team is very supportive, talkative, laughter. They're great people. You'll love it. I love coming to work every morning.